Hey there, my name's Igor, and I want to show you one of the tools I wrote and use. So I wrote a tool called Think, and it uses a language model to analyze arbitrary stuff. So we can use that to actually analyze the thinking program. So we type think, and then the program is called Think.py. This is taking a thinking prompt and it's sending it to multiple language models. And when it finishes, it publishes the results as a gist so that you can share it with your friends. 8,000. It's really slow right now. I'm not sure why it's taking so long. We'll just cut this out of the video. Great. Okay, so Think ran on Think.py. If you want to know where Think is, you can click on this. You'll get the latest code. But you can see it ran this through the various models. For some reason, Claude was super slow. We can open up any of these models and we can see what this thing's about. And it's Claude says it's a Python script for analyzing artifacts using language models. Use the language models to do critical thinking. I have these different sections like implications and impact, critical assumptions and risks, reflection questions, background, etc. If you want, you can see, you can compare what the different language models did. Here's what GPT-4o wrote. Here's what Llama wrote. This is also fun to evaluate the efficacy of language models. So you can use this, of course, to read code, but you can also use it to read English, which is probably the more common thing. So here's a super cool article I really like, but it's really long and hard to read. It's about AI maximalism. So we'll take this, go back to here, and ask the language models to think about this article. And it's running. Right, once again, Claude was really slow, but we can see what Claude said about this. This is an article about Apple's AI strategy, contrasts with AI maximalism and the technical approach, implications for the AI industry, Apple's ecosystem, etc. Well, we can see GPT's analysis. It's pretty simple, actually. And we can look at the Llama analysis. Yeah, kind of cool. Hopefully you find this helpful. If you want to run the tool yourself, you can find it. It's called Think.py. See how it works, see all the prompts, have fun.